Hello everyone, welcome back to my income tax law and practice session 2. Today I am going to discuss about the meaning and concepts of income tax. Dear students, today's session outcomes are meaning of income, meaning of tax, meaning of income tax, types of taxes and brief history of income tax. Before learning the income tax subject, first of all, let me divide the income tax in two words. One is income and another is tax. And first of all, let me know what is income. Income is money or some equivalent value that an individual or business receives, usually in exchange for providing goods or services, or through investing capital, or for individuals it is received in the form of wages or salary. Income is a monetary benefit received by the assessee. Another important term in income tax is tax. Tax is a compulsory contribution to state revenue. It is levied by the government on workers' income and business profits, etc. Tax is the price which we pay for a civilized society. It is the revenue to the government. Now, dear students, let me discuss what is income tax. Income tax is a tax on income. Very simply we can call like this. It is a type of tax that government imposes on income generated by business and individuals within their jurisdiction. Income tax is used for funding public services, to pay government obligations, and to provide for goods for citizens. Taxes can be classified in two categories. One is direct taxes and another is indirect taxes. Direct tax covers income tax, wealth tax, like that, and indirect tax covers GST, customs, toll tax, entry tax, like that. Before knowing the important terms of income tax, it is very essential to know the brief history of income tax in India. Dear students, the tax system in India can be traced back to the Egypt civilization. And in India, we can refer about the tax system in Kautilya's period. There is a reference in Kautilya's Arthashastra during the Chandragupta Maurya's period about the taxation system levied in India. As far as the new income tax system is concerned, we can go back to the freedom movement in 1857, which popularly we can call it as a soldiers' mutiny. As India was ruled by Britishers for more than 4 centuries, Indians demanded for freedom, and for this purpose Indians started freedom movement in 1857. And in order to suppress this freedom movement, British incurred huge expenditure, and in order to make up for the losses incurred, British government levied first time the taxation in the year 1860 by Sir James Wilson. Thereafter, after many amendments, again in the year 1886, the new Indian Income Tax Act came into force. And then, after making many amendments, again this act repealed in the year 1918. And again it was replaced in the year 1922. And this act remained in force up to the assessment year 1961. And on 1/4/1962, the new Income Tax Act came into force, and which is having 292 sections and 4 schedules. whatever the income tax system is there today, that is the outcome of Income Tax Act 1961. This act came into force on the recommendation of Direct Taxes Administration Committee of India and their students. Now, every year, Government of India passes a finance bill in Parliament every budget session to make amendments in the tax slabs or tax rates. So dear students, throughout this session we came to know about the meaning of income, meaning of tax, meaning of income tax, types of taxes, and brief history of income tax. In the next session, we will discuss about the important terms like person, assessee, assessing officer, assessment year, previous year, and income tax. Dear students, for this purpose, you can refer Vinod K. Singhania and Kapil Singhania, Students Guide to Income Tax 2019 edition, Mehrotra, Income Tax Law and Practice 2020, and Dr. G.B. Baligar and Professor S.L. Patil, Income Tax 2020. Thank you for your patience listening.